In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're stepping into the world of customer relationship management for the first time or looking to explore Salesforce's vast ecosystem, setting up your account is the crucial first step. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through it smoothly. First, let's get started by opening your web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Once you're online, type Salesforce into the search bar. You'll want to click on the official Salesforce website, which should be among the top search results. This is where our journey begins. On the Salesforce homepage, you'll find a path to creating your account. You'll be asked to provide some personal details. Enter your first and last name, followed by your work email address. It's essential to use an email that you can access easily because this will be a key communication point as you get started. Next, you will need to specify your job role. Salesforce offers different configurations based on roles, so choose the one that best matches your role in the organization. Then, type in your company's name along with your country of residence and your postal code. These details help configure your Salesforce account to best suit your needs. Before we proceed, there's an important step to complete. You'll need to check the box to accept Salesforce's terms and conditions. Be sure to take a moment to understand these, as they govern how you can use the platform. After you've done that, click the Sign Me Up or Sign Up button. This will begin the process of setting up your account. Almost immediately, you should see a notification informing you to check your inbox for a verification email from Salesforce. This email is essential for verifying your account, so keep an eye on your inbox as well as your spam or junk folder just in case it lands there. Once you find it, open the email and look for the verification link. Clicking this link will confirm your new account. Finally, after verifying your email, you'll be prompted to set up a password. This password, along with your email, will be used each time you log into the Salesforce platform, so choose a secure but memorable password. Congratulations! Once you set your password, your Salesforce Developer Edition organization is created. You can now log in anytime at login.salesforce.com to explore and leverage the powerful tools that Salesforce offers. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Salesforce account. With everything set up, you're ready to dive into exploring all the features that can help propel your business or personal projects forward. Thank you for following along, and happy exploring.